Are you looking for Microsoft Azure Administrator Az-104 based training? So Teach Me Cloud going to start new batch for Microsoft Azure Az-104 from 8th of July. And I'm going to cover each and every topics based on the Microsoft blueprint. Means we will cover the entire 5 module. Those modules can help you to understand about how Azure can perform the task. It's correlated to administrator training, so definitely you will learn about the troubleshooting part, and we'll discuss about how we can manage and implement services for our organization. It's a fully industry and corporate based training, you can say that, because I have already completed multiple corporate batches for same content. Recently I just completed a batch for one of organization, reputed organization. So definitely these contents will help you to understand about the basically core implementation process. If you are already working with your Azure portal, you are responsible to manage few services over Azure portal. Now you are trying to improve your knowledge. Now you are trying to understand more about the services that are available. So definitely this particular class, this online class will help you to understand about the service implementation. And this is fully live online training, means you can directly coordinate to me, and you can ask any question. You can give us a various scenario. Those scenario can help you to troubleshoot the issues in real environment. And another point, if we talk about the compliments, so we'll give you the complete training video, means you will share the entire training video after end of the sessions. So training schedule for Saturday and Sunday, so entire working professional easily can join. I'll try to start from evening 8 p.m. IST or 8:30 p.m. IST to 10:30 or 10 p.m. IST. So 2.5 hour session on Saturday, 2.5 hour session on Sunday. And we'll follow the entire curriculum based on the Microsoft blueprint. I'll share you the document and entire session recording, Microsoft PPTs, Microsoft PDF book, everything will provide you free of cost. So please join at least one session, because on Saturday I'm not going to charge any amount for it's a kind of demonstration. I'll give you 1 hour session for 1 hour session to understand about how we can manage our online training. And you can also check the training way or delivery way. You can also ask any questions related to Azure or cloud technology. So it's just a demonstration. So please join, complete your form that I mentioned in description. It's a Google form. You need to provide the basic information that I contact you, and if everything is okay, we can connect in our live sessions. So thank you so much, guys. We'll connect on Saturday and discuss more about the Azure services. If everything is okay, we'll start our online batches. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.